How to download Capcut on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. The App Store is used to discover, download, and manage apps. It acts as a marketplace for apps developed for Apple's iOS and iPadOS operating systems. Users can find a wide variety of apps, including games, productivity tools, and utilities, both free and paid. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. Go to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the application you want to download. For example, Capcut. From the results, go to Capcut. Then, tap on the download icon as shown. The Capcut application is now being downloaded to your device. You can repeat this to search for and download other apps to your phone. Following these steps, you can easily download Capcut on iPhone.